Hi everybody, today we are going to learn the standard algorithm for multiplication, 2 digits times 2 digits. We are going to do 52 times 34 real quick. If you're interested in getting the rest of these worksheets, all 36 videos, there's a video for every single question. Then you can click in the description below. And it also comes with task cards with the same questions on them. And it also comes with a digital version so that you can use the format that works for you and watch the videos to guide you along. But let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to do 52 times 34. And the main thing that I like to remember is I like to think of the numbers as if they're on some sort of team or like a wrestling match and they're competing with one another. And to remember that the 52 came together, the 5 and the 2, so they are not fighting each other. And the 34 are also not fighting each other. The 34 came together. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna imagine this team shows up and the 4 is gonna go first, but the 4 needs to, I don't know, wrestle, play, fight, whatever, against the 5 and the 2. Like the 4 came to battle both. So the 4 will go against the 2, 4 times 2, and then 4 times 5. This is kind of just like, I mean, if you just had 52 times 4, right? That's how you start. Just like if you had another question similar to one of these that you may have seen, you're just doing 4 times 52. So you'll do that first and it'll go on this top row. It might be hard to see in the video, but this row is colored red to remind us that this is the 4 red. So we'll do 4 times 52. And then when the 4 is done for the day, they have competed or wrestled or whatever, and they are finished and they get to leave. Then we're just gonna stick a 0 here to show that we are moving to the 3, and the 3 will get its turn here in the orange row, 3 times 2 and then 3 times 5. So basically what we're doing is we're doing 4 times 52, putting it up here, and then the 3 gets its turn, but it's really a 30, but you just stick the 0 to show that. And then you do 3 times 52. And then you just add it all together at the end. So as long as you just go right to left and remember who's on whose team, then it's not too bad. We'll just go step by step. So we're going to start with the 4 because we go right from left, or right to left for the standard algorithm. And we're going to do 4 times 2 because the 2 is on the right, so right first and then left. 4 times 2 is 8. Now we're done with that, and that's a blue box there too, so that can kind of help you guide you if you need it. Then we'll do 4 times 5 and we'll put it right here. 4 times 5 is 20. So we'll just stick that right in there. These are green boxes. They have a red background. So we did 4 times 2, red and blue, and then red and green. Okay, that's it. I mean, for that one, 4 times 52 is 208. The 4 has done what it came to do. It paid its dues. It came, it wrestled, or whatever, and it's done. So you cross it out. And now we're going to put a 0 down here. Why are we putting a 0? Because we're not doing 3 times 52. We're doing 30 times 52. 30 times 52 kind of sounds like a lot. So we're just going to stick the 0 in now and then do the 3. But we just want to scooch over just to remind us we're now working in the tens column, which is worth more than the 1. So we got to put the 0 here to remind everybody that this guy is worth more than this one. Now we're going to do the same thing as before. 3 times 2 and then 3 times 5. So 3 times 2 is 6, and we'll put it here. So this is a blue box, orange background. That's just to guide you. It's not necessary, but it can help you just to check in or if you get stuck. So we did 3 times 2 is 6, and now we'll do 3 times 5 and put it right there. 3 times 5 is 15. You don't need to carry because there's nowhere to put it, and you have the space down here, 15. So basically what we just did there is we did 3 times 52, which is 156. But it was really 30 times 52. So 30 times 52 is 1,560. Earlier we did 4 times 52, and that's what we got. And now we're just going to add them together. So the 4 came and fought and got this, and then the 3 came and got this. All you have to do at the end is add them together and then just carry if you need to. For this one, we won't have to. Start on the right, as always. 8 plus 0 is 8. 0 plus 6 is 6. 2 plus 5 is 7. And 1 plus nothing. So 52 times 34 is 1,768.